Hello everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of Eat Prime. I am Daedra. It's New Music Friday and Jahshii is back. After months of hiatus, the artist has released his latest single, God's Plan. The track signals the rebranding of his image into music. The song's title tells you the new direction of the artist, and the lyrics reveal what Jahshii has been pondering over the period. The track is produced by top import producer Troublemaker, who sees this as a new and exciting pivot for the artist.
This song was just basically me and Jahshii, just in the vibe that no matter what kind of trials you go through or whatever you might be experiencing, I just God's plan and we just have to work with that vibe and that energy and just trust the process and believe in the process that we are go through.
Now Shenseea had tongues wagging this morning with the release of her new track, Curious. The Dancehall Diva's single for 2023 via Russians, Rich Immigrants and her label Interscope Record touches on the topic of sexuality. Shenseea drops the track ahead of her Coachella performance in the US this weekend. Now Skillibeng clears his IG for a new track with a world boss, Vybz Kartel. The almost 1 million fans of the Crocodile Teeth artist woke up this morning to only 2 posts on his official Instagram page, both of an upcoming project dubbed The King and the Prince, which is set for release at midnight. Celebrities pour into the island for Carnival Jamaica. Iconic magazine Ebony is hosting celebrities and influencers in Jamaica for an island carnival experience for their next issue. E-Prime spoke with editor-in-chief Mariela Bobo and Ebony star-studded cast.
We have Omarion and his brother Orion. We have Winnie Harlow, the supermodel who is also of Jamaican descent. We have Scotty Beam, who is an amazing social media influencer. We have so many people that are coming here from all walks of life, some of whom are Jamaican and Caribbean, and some who are not Caribbean, but they love Jamaica, and this is their first time in Jamaica, so we couldn't, wait to bring them down here to experience Carnival.
Ebony Magazine is being hosted by JTB, and you can see all the stars this Sunday with the Gen X Carnival Band. Now, Knutsford Boulevard to be locked down this Carnival Sunday. This, as one of Jamaica's corporate brands, has stepped up to provide the unforgettable experience to Carnival watchers. E-Prime caught up with brand manager of Campari, Mark Telfer, who shared on the move to provide this free experience for the general public.
It is free admission, free entertainment. You have food and drinks on sale if you need. There's the family zone if you want to bring out the kids to enjoy the day, and there's also the Campari zone where you must be 18 and older to enter, and fun and festivities, not to mention live performances by Idonia, and let's just say a few friends might just pass through as well.
Campari, outside of providing the public with a safe space for Road March, tapped into the multi-billion-dollar Jamaica Carnival industry and gave support to brands returning to the road after COVID. Now see you on the road on Sunday. I'm Daedra with a weekend edition of Eat Prime. Thank you for watching. Be safe.